ITMG 100 Time Capsule Final Exam. Hey everyone, my name is Will, and this is my family. Well, this semester in information technology has been thrilling, learning about information systems, software applications, and becoming tech gurus at Microsoft Excel. I also enjoyed my other classes at USD as a transfer student and being a part of NROTC San Diego. Here's some of what I did. My background. I'm 32 and have been in the United States Marine Corps for over 14 years. My son Luke is turning 2 later this month. He enjoys traveling quite a bit and has already been to over 5 states. When I'm not with my family, I enjoy going to local concerts and also spending time with my 2 dogs, Luna and Nova. Nova is a 3-year-old black lab and Luna is a 10-year-old pit lab. A great way to relieve the stress from school and long commute is to stop by Torrey Pines State Beach, lace up my shoes, and go for a run. There is a lot of trails that look out over the ocean, and you can easily knock out 5 to 6 miles just enjoying the view. Also near Torrey Pines is the Del Mar Dog Beach, where you can hang with your dogs, take a mile walk to town with the family, and take in some awesome sunsets. When the family and I aren't hanging out enjoying the local beaches, food, and sun, I'm usually brushing up on my military knowledge. Part of being in the NROTC program is staying current with what's happened in our past. We also do training on the weekends for work, like this fun little local hike at Camp Pendleton. Or driving on the sand in Coronado to get in a quick beach workout with things like squats, burpees, and sprints. Marines like myself play as hard as we work. I'm looking forward to taking 2 classes this summer and starting off strong again in the fall semester. Cheers! This was a great first semester at USD, and I'm happy to have revisited some of these times in this time capsule. Thanks for watching.